Hello guys, in this video tutorial I will show you how to create a distort text effect in Photoshop step by step beginner's guide. So let's get started. Go to file and create a new file. Press OK. Now go to text layer and type a text that you want to distort. I'm typing Photoshop. So here is our Photoshop. Now I want to increase the size, so here you can increase the size of the text. Right click on the mouse and convert to the smart object. So here is our text layer, and now go to the edit. Here is edit and free transform. Right click on the mouse and select Distort. Hold on Control and increase the size like this one. So here is our distorted text. So guys, you can do same. I am doing other distort effect. So guys, you can do same thing with your text. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel to support me. Thank you very much. Stay blessed and I love you all. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you want to if you have any question, you can ask me in comment section. So goodbye.